Now, Reggae Boyz head coach Jamaican Hallgrimsson will oversee his first official home game as Jamaica looks to extend a 5-match unbeaten streak against Honduras when the two meet in their CONCACAF Nations League match at 8:10. Karen Madden is at the National Stadium for the Group B opener and joins us live. Karen?
Thank you very much, Jordan. The big news for Jamaica is that Captain Andre Blake is not in the squad at all. Of course, head coach Jamaican Hallgrimsson had indicated earlier this week that Blake had come down with flu-like symptoms. He's not featuring in tonight's game. The Philadelphia #1 experiencing flu-like symptoms and has been left out of the squad. Damian Lowe will captain the team in his absence. Also of note is that 17-year-old Chelsea forward Dejon Whisper Richards makes his first official start for the Reggae Boyz. Also starting is the former Chelsea youth player Casey Palmer. He's making his first official debut for the Jamaicans. And after missing the Gold Cup after his wife experienced complications after delivering their first child, Ethan Pinnock returns to the defense of the Jamaican team. The starting 11 is completed by Jamali Waite in goal, as I said, in the absence of Andre Blake, Amari Bell, Leon Bailey, Bobby Reed, Demari Gray, Joel Latibodier, and Javon Brown, who gets a start even though he had not been originally named to the originally called up rather. Now, I can tell you that the crowd here at the National Stadium is not a very big one. People are still trickling in. As we said at the top, the game is really scheduled to start at 8:10, and you know that Jamaicans are traditionally last-minute folks. So we're hoping that more folks will come out closer to start up. Of course, the music in the background juggling as always. Jamaica has employed a 4-3-3 formation, while the Hondurans seem to be calling up a 4-4-2 formation for this game inside the National Stadium. The field, we have been talking about the field earlier this week. Still seeing those brown patches, even though we got some rain today. Clearly not enough, the rains over the last couple of days. Clearly not enough to have seen more green on the patch. So there are some dry spots. We look to see how Jamaica will maneuver that, considering that Coach Hallgrimsson had indicated, was very upset in fact, that the field was in this way. Question whether that was home advantage. We'll see how the Hondurans cope with that. But as I said, game time is at 8:10. So we have a full report in subsequent sportscasts. For now though, Jordan, it's back to you.